Hi, this is John at Accustream, a leading manufacturer of water jet cutting equipment. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the Accustream Abrasive Regulator 2. We're going to cover the Accustream Abrasive Regulator's main features and benefits, how easy it is to use, how it installs on the machinery, and lastly we're going to cover some of the troubleshooting techniques. And with that, let's get started. The engineers at Accustream had a few key goals when designing the Abrasive Regulator 2. The first and most important was to design a device that optimized abrasive consumption. They also wanted a device that was user-friendly and also allowed operators to easily monitor cutting performance. Next, let's get a basic overview of how the Regulator 2 works. The Regulator 2 features a small footprint at 12 inches tall and 4 inches wide. Let's get a view from the top of the regulator to see where the abrasive enters the device. The abrasive will fill the canister until it reaches the stainless fitting. The canister has an abrasive flow chart. The numbers on the right indicate the pounds per minute. Numbers on the left correspond to numbers on the adjustment knob. Please note that different meshes of abrasive may change these numbers. Changing the amount of abrasive being fed to the head is as easy as turning the adjustment knob. Operators can change the amount of abrasive being fed at any time during the cutting process without any interruption to the cutting stream. Now let's open up the regulator and see exactly how it works. To open the regulator on either end, simply loosen the thumb nuts. Pull on the bottom of the adapter and swing open to view the inside workings. Turning the control knob increases and decreases the opening seen here. The larger the opening, the more abrasive is being fed to the head. Here you see a control gate that opens and closes the hole. Spring-loaded shoulder bolts guide the internal components to ensure smooth opening and closing. The bottom output adapter has a built-in backflow diverter. The backflow diverter helps eliminate water reaching the internal components when a nozzle plugs. O-rings on each end of the canister protect the abrasive from external moisture. The regulator comes standard with the mounting plate seen here. There's two holes for easily mounting the regulator to the Z-axis plate just above the cutting head. The regulator requires air to open and air to close, which is a four-way solenoid. There are two inlet connections on the Bimba air cylinder. The one closest to the acrylic is for opening the regulator. The outside is for closing. Please be sure to attach air to the appropriate line for opening and closing. That concludes the informational portion of our Accustream Abrasive Regulator. I hope you find the information we went through helpful. If there's anything else that you need, please feel free to contact an Accustream sales representative. This is John at Accustream. Thank you for watching. See you next time.